Good afternoon, guys. Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX. So, first thing, we actually have a few Sea Rays in the showroom. I can highlight those really quick. We are going to have a boat show in here first week of January, probably. We'll reach out to you guys with more dates soon. Awesome profile shot of the boat here. This is a two-tone hull color. So we have the horizon here with black hull on the bottom. Try to get a good shot of that for you. You can also see black forward-facing sports arch. Get a closer look at that when we get inside. Manual submersible swim step. It's great if you're hanging out at the shoals. Nice spot to hop on and off the boat. SeaDek on the swim platform as well. This is the stone color interior with matching gray infinity woven flooring. Good shot of the tower there. This boat is powered with a MerCruiser 6.2 300 horsepower engine, Bravo Three drive. Awesome access there, plenty of room to work. Beautiful L-shaped seating here, plenty of spots for people to hang out and chill out. Captain and companion seat here will go forward and back, again giving you more accessible seating throughout the cockpit. At the helm, 12-inch Simrad display, all of our switching for our lights, our fusion stereo, obviously our throttles, our head compartment. That is the upgraded head interior. Frank will work his way up to the bow. Plenty of seating up there. Grab handles all over the place, armrests, plenty of cup holders, and then our access to our windlass anchor. All right, guys, again, 2022 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This boat is actually available and in stock in Brick, New Jersey, so if you have any questions or you want to see this boat in person, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.